The rain was falling softly in the small town of Green Hill. The streets were quiet, and the sky was gray. Inside a little house near the forest, a boy named Sam looked out the window. "I am bored," Sam said. He was 12 years old. He had short brown hair and big, curious eyes. He liked adventure, but today there was nothing to do. His mother was in the kitchen. "You can read a book," she said. "I read all my books," Sam replied. "Then you can clean your room," she said with a smile. Sam sighed. "That is not fun." After a few minutes, the rain stopped. A small light came through the clouds. Sam opened the door and stepped outside. The air smelled fresh. He looked at the forest near his house. "I have never gone deep into the forest," he thought. He felt excited. "I will go for a short walk," he said. He told his mother, "I'll be back soon." "Do not go too far," she said. "I promise," Sam replied. Sam walked toward the forest. The trees were tall and green. Birds were singing, and the ground was wet from the rain. At first, the path was clear. Sam followed it slowly. He looked at flowers, rocks, and small animals. "Wow," he said, "this place is beautiful." After some time, he saw something strange. There was a small wooden box under a tree. "What is that?" Sam asked. He walked closer. The box was old and a little broken. It had a small lock, but it was already open. Sam looked around. No one was there. He opened the box. Inside, there was a map. "A map?" Sam said. It was a drawing of the forest. There was a red line and a big X at the end. "Maybe this is a treasure map," he said with excitement. Sam felt his heart beat faster. "I want to find this place," he said. He knew he should go home, but he was very curious. "I will go a little further," he thought. "Then I will come back." Sam followed the red line on the map. The path became smaller and harder to see. The trees were closer together. After a while, he stopped. "Where am I?" he asked. The path behind him looked different. He felt a little scared. "No, it's okay," Sam said. "I have the map." He continued walking. Soon he heard a noise. "Help! Help!" Sam stopped. "Who is there?" he asked. He looked around and saw a small dog stuck between two rocks. "Oh no," Sam said. The dog was white with brown spots. It looked scared. "Do not worry," Sam said softly. "I will help you." Sam pushed the rocks with his hands. It was hard, but after some time the rocks moved. The dog was free. The dog jumped and wagged its tail. "You are safe now," Sam said, smiling. The dog stayed near him. "Do you want to come with me?" Sam asked. The dog barked happily. "Okay, I will call you Max," Sam said. Now Sam was not alone. They continued walking together. After some time, they reached a small river. "There is no bridge," Sam said. He looked at the map. "The red line goes across the river," he said. Max barked and jumped into the water. "Wait," Sam said. But Max crossed the river easily. Sam looked at the water. It was not very deep. "I can do it," he said. He walked slowly into the river. The water was cold, but he was careful. Step by step, he crossed the river. On the other side, Max was waiting. "Good job," Sam said. They continued walking. The forest became darker. The trees were bigger, and the light was weaker. Sam felt nervous. "Maybe I should go back," he said. But then he looked at the map again. "The X is close," he said. He took a deep breath. Just a little more. Suddenly, Max started barking loudly. "What is it?" Sam asked. Max ran forward. Sam followed. They arrived at a big tree. It was the biggest tree Sam had ever seen. "This must be the place," Sam said. He looked at the map. "Yes, this is the X." At the base of the tree, there was a small door. A door, Sam said in surprise. It was hidden in the tree. Sam walked closer. Should I open it? He asked. Max barked again, as if to say yes. Sam slowly opened the door. Inside, there was a small room. It was dark, but clean. Sam stepped inside. "Hello?" he called. No answer. There was a table in the room. On the table, there was a small box. Sam walked to the table. "This must be the treasure," he said. He opened the box slowly. Inside, there was a letter. "A letter," Sam said. He took it and started to read. "Dear friend, if you find this place, you are brave and kind. This is not a treasure of gold or money. This is a test. The real treasure is your courage, your kindness, and your heart." Sam read the letter again. "A test?" he said. He felt confused. "There is no gold?" he asked. Max sat next to him quietly. Sam looked at Max. He remembered how he helped the dog. He remembered how he was afraid but still continued. Sam smiled. "I understand," he said. "The treasure is not here. The treasure is me." Max barked happily. Sam felt proud. "I was brave and I helped you." He looked around the small room again. "Maybe this place was made to teach something," he said. Sam put the letter back in the box. "Thank you," he said softly. Then he walked out of the tree. The sun was starting to go down. "Oh no," Sam said. "I need to go home." He looked around. "I don't know the way back," he said. Max barked and started walking. "Do you know the way?" Sam asked. Max continued walking. Sam followed him. They walked for a long time. The forest was getting dark. Sam was tired. "I hope we're going the right way," he said. After some time, Sam saw something. "The river," he said. They were back at the river. "Yes," Sam said with joy. They crossed the river again. Then they found the small path. "I know this place," Sam said. They walked faster. Soon Sam saw his house. "Home!" he shouted. His mother was outside, looking worried. "Sam, where were you?" "I'm sorry. I went into the forest," Sam said. "You said you would not go too far," she said. "I know. I'm sorry." Sam smiled. "But I learned something important." His mother looked at him. "What did you learn?" she asked. "I learned to be brave and to help others, and I made a new friend." Max walked forward. "Oh, a dog," she said. "This is Max," Sam said. Max wagged his tail. His mother smiled. "He's very cute," she said. "Can we keep him?" Sam asked. His mother thought for a moment. "Did you take care of him?" she asked. "Yes," Sam said. "I helped him." His mother smiled again. "Then he can stay," she said. "Thank you," Sam said happily. That night, Sam sat in his room with Max. "I did not find gold," he said, "but I found something better." Max barked softly. Sam looked out the window at the forest. "It was a great adventure," he said. "And tomorrow, who knows?" He smiled and closed his eyes. Max lay next to him, calm and safe. And in the quiet night, Sam knew one thing for sure. Sometimes the greatest treasure is not something you find, it's something you become.